Top 5.
Circ Rain. Durable, weather-resistant acrylic rain gauge. Could measures up to 5 inches of rainwater. Additional hang bracket with stainless steel screws provide multiple mounting options. The bracket could fit onto post or fence for easy remove and clean, or you can just use the rain gauge alone as a garden yardstake.
Top 4.
BIUWING. Accurate scale. No need to guess how much rain fell in your backyard. Whether you love gardening or just like measuring how much rain fell, this precision professional 5-inch capacity rainwater gauge easily handles most rainfall volume.
Top 3.
Amazon. Install on a post using 2 screws and attach to holes provided in the mounting bracket. For ground installation, insert the pointed end through the ground to the level of the rain gauge base.
Top 2.
Headwind. Each gauge features a unique funnel that prevents unwanted leaves and debris from entering the tube, and that can result in inaccurate readings and a clogged rainwater collector.
Top 1.
ZELARMAN. With a rain gauge, you don't have to guess how much rain is falling in the backyard. You can use rain gauges to maintain garden irrigation, so as to make plants and lawns healthier. Garden rain gauges can avoid a series of problems, such as drought stress or over-irrigation.